You've done everything you were told. You've spent weeks, maybe months, chasing that perfect low competition niche that the gurus promised you. You've wrestled with Canva, or maybe you've paid someone on Fiverr for a slick cover. You've outlined, you've written, you've formatted, and you've probably reformatted at least a dozen times. You've hit publish, you're excited, then you check your Amazon KDP dashboard. Nothing, no sales, no page reads. So you start blaming the niche, then the cover, then the keywords. But that is not the real reason that things aren't working. The real mistake is an invisible trap. It convinces you that you're being productive, that you're working on your KDP business, while quietly you're guaranteeing you'll never make a dime. Thousands of aspiring publishers fall into this trap and they never manage to climb back out. And today I want to show you exactly what it is and how to break free. So, when a book doesn't sell, everyone points to two things: bad niches and bad covers. And yes, they do matter. A poor cover in a competitive market will kill clicks. And publishing something nobody is searching for won't magically work. So, what happens? You start watching more videos, comparing tools, tweaking fonts, rewriting descriptions. You feel busy, you feel productive, but it's all a decoy. It's like polishing the outside of a car that won't start. Or in the UK, we have a bit more of a gross saying, which is like polishing a turd. But you're you're essentially you're fixing the paint job, not the engine. That's probably a better analogy than the UK one. Sorry for putting it out there, and sorry if I've just offended anyone for that gross analogy. The biggest mistake new KDP publishers make is getting stuck in endless research and preparation. I call it productive procrastination. It feels great because you're learning, but learning about publishing is not the same as publishing. It's like learning to swim by reading books instead of getting in the pool. The research itself, it feels safe, but publishing, it feels a bit risky, and honestly, it makes you feel very vulnerable when you're putting yourself and your work out there. So you stay on the side of the pool. You're convincing yourself you just need one more video. But here's the truth: a laptop full of perfectly researched, unfinished books earns the same as zero books. It earns you nothing. So if you're new, your goal is not to publish a bestseller. It's not even to make money. Your only goal right now is to publish one imperfect book. And that is how you're going to learn the system. Rejections are not failures, they're instructions. Your first book is tuition. You publish, you learn, you improve. That's how real KDP businesses are built. So if you're recognizing yourself in this, you're stuck researching, you're overthinking, and you're never quite hitting publish, you're not failing. You're just missing a clear beginner safe path. That's exactly why I've created my Publish Your First Amazon KDP ebook. It's a calm, practical walkthrough designed to help you publish your first book without overthinking, without perfectionism, or without fear of getting it wrong. You'll find the link in the description if you want a clear place to start. The difference about dreaming about a KDP business and having one is literally a click. Publish. You won't feel ready before your first book is live, but you'll feel ready after. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.